Hello guys, so ito, meron tayo ditong desktop. So ito ay kay Ma'am Mian. So pang number 14 na. So nakapagpagana siya sa atin ng 14 times. Ayan, hindi siya mabuhay. So ayusin ko, papakita ko sa inyo guys kapag naayos ko na ito. Ayan, so hindi siya mabuhay pero may display yung monitor. Kasi wala siyang power. Okay. So gagawin natin guys, kapag ganitong walang power, so testingin nyo muna yun ng power supply kasi sure naman na gumagana itong aking power cable. So yan, tayo ng power supply. Then kakabit natin dito sa ating system unit. Lagyan mo natin yung mga cables. Ayan. So pag natanggal natin cables, so itetest naman natin itong ating power supply. So brand new to guys. Then alam ko na kapag ganito yung mga problem. So walang bang problem ko dito power supply lang guys kapag hindi siya mabuhay. And of course ito, tingnan natin. Okay, so set na natin. Tetest naman natin. Test muna natin yan. Okay, let's see. Mabuhay. Yan guys, nabuhay na siya. So, okay na. Gumagana na. So, may display na din yung ating monitor. So, makikita nyo. May display na din. So, okay na. So, power supply lang yung problem. Ayan. So, namamatay guys kasi yung saksak natin dito is maluwag. So guys, yan, okay na yung ating desktop. So, pwede na siya makuha ni customer mamaya. Okay, so, yan, sa mga gusto pa magpagawa ng desktop, laptop, cellphone, printer, so mag-chat sa akin Facebook, sa messenger ko, or text lang kayo sa mobile numbers, okay? So, yan ako muna to guys, i-assemble ko na yon para okay na, kasi kukuhanin ni customer mamaya. Okay, so, panoodin nyo. Shutdown muna natin to. Ayan. Tanggal muna natin itong ating lumang power supply para mapalitan natin ng panibago. Nakapagit. So kapag natanggal nyo na guys yung mga tornilyo, ayan, so hindi nyo basta-basta matatanggal. Maangat kasi may kailangan pa kayong pindutin dito sa loob. So ito guys yung kailangan yung pindutin, ayan. So may ano yan dito, ayan. Kasi pag inano nyo yung ganito, so hindi yan tatanggal kasi naglalak doon. Ayan. So kailangan yung pindutin dito. And then sa kanya lang yan matatanggal. Ayan. So pinindot ko doon and then yan, natanggal ko na siya. Ayan. Then, kailangan tanggalin nyo rin to. Ayan. So, natatanggal naman ito. Ayan. So, yun.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Tanggalin natin ito para hindi siya umangat. Kasi naging dahil kung bakit umaangat, so tumatama kasi sa bakal. So i-adjust natin ito. Yan, ito guys, natatanggal na. Itapat natin. Yan, so saktuhan na siya guys. Yan. Saktuhan na dahil inangat natin to. So mamaya babalik natin to, pero bago natin balik, lalagyan muna natin ng tape dito. Lagyan natin guys ng tape para hindi makakuryente. Hindi na natin ito mararagyan dito ng tornilyo, so kaya na natin yun. So, benta natin yung mga tape. So, lagyan palit natin guys ng one more. Yan. Then, kakabit na natin to guys. So, wala nang tornilyo yung kabila kasi angat nga siya. So, okay na. And next, lalagyan na natin yung tornilyo niya sa 4 na sulok. Yan. Para mag-lock na. Yan. Tuloy natin guys. Okay na guys, okay. So try na natin guys buhayin kung anong problema. So nagbi-beep, so ayusin ko lang yung memory. So tinanggal ko muna guys yung 3 memory kasi nagbi-beep. So para ma-check muna natin kung okay na yung power supply niya, okay? So pasensya na guys medyo ano yung boses ko kasi ganong naka-face mask ako. So nabubuhin na. So yun guys. So yun guys, okay na. So na-set up na natin yan. So gumagana na. Yan, okay na. So yun guys, sana may natutunan kayo. Ayan, so okay na. So pwede ko nang dalhin sa shop para makuha ni customer yung ating desktop. So ayun siya na guys, nakamas ako kasi ganong medyo may allergy ako sa sipon na yan. So kaya nilagyan ko pati ng konting tissue yung mask ko kaya medyo minsan hirap pa magsalita. Ayan, so okay na. Okay, so sa mga gusto nyo pang matutunan na iba, so panoodin nyo lang yung mga vlogs ko. I-upload ko sa aking YouTube channel. Okay, so see you on my next video guys. So ito guys, yan, okay na. So nabubuhay na natin and then hindi na nagbi-beep. So gawin natin, shutdown na natin. Then nakalimutan natin, lalagyan pa pala natin ng warranty sticker. Lagyan natin ito guys. Ito. Okay, let's see. One more time. Mabubuksan. Ito yung sirang power supply ni customer. Ayan. Yan, okay na guys. Yan, okay na guys. So, may warranty sticker na rin. Ayan. Pwede na natin galing sa shop. Ayan. Okay na. Ayan, tapos na. So, gagawa naman tayo ng sunod pang laptop naman. Ayan.